Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in Slate Blue Pearl. With dark headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P7784.